start by all 6 cars. Kevin Hansen moves across, trying to shut the door on Ericsson. Solberg going to come across on Robinson. Oh, contact! No! Chris Dobson's in the tyre wall. He destroyed it. Rustanton in 2. Going to try and drive through it. Okay, here we go again. I don't know why I think there should Chris Dobson have backed out of it, because he's not going to give in easily, is he? No, he's not. Into 4th place. Any contact here? Hansen's up the inside. Hansen over. Hansen's over in the 208. Hansen is upside down the turn 3. Drop back onto 4.
You know, as we said before, it's a very hard corner, and when there are 5 cars into that, there's got to be contact. And unfortunately for Timmy this time, he ended up on the roof.
Stuff the inside of Baciuszka, very sensible from those. Timmer spun at the finish. Timmer spins into the wall. Doran 2. It's up the inside. Weeman up the inside, and Doran. Oh, Weeman's in the tyre barrier. He's over. Yoni Weeman is over the front left corral. Inside of Anton Markland. Oh, he's into the side of him. Anton won't like that. Anton spun round. I think Kevin. Oh, Nitish round the outside. Going to get P3 short. Oh, massive. Over the curb. Tyre is on. Moving across towards him. Loeb shutting the door.
Yeah, Loeb got a fantastic start again, another Peugeot, but they're all trying to fight to get to the inside. And what happens, obviously, at this point, Ekström's just trying to edge across, and Jerome has nowhere to go. He just climbs the barrier, hits the tyre wall, and it rolls it on its roof.
Push back, but he goes in behind Holton. He's going to make it down to turn 2, and it goes, oh, Morrow! Markland into the barrier, clips the wheels of Holton on the inside. Looks like he's going to go down the outside. What happens here? He just turns in.
I think Holton tries to adjust his line and try and take a better line to the corner. Oh, that was a heavy impact.
Ilsen has gone over, the wheel is hanging off that. We might continue the race because the car's at the side of the road. Oh, Bennett! Bennett's over! Bennett clips the curb and rolls them with him. This is the merge for the win. Remember, there's another lap to go, but it's going to be hard to pass. Oh, he's flat out. Backward! Oh, massive contact!
Back under the pressure. He nailed it in the semi. Now he's nailed it here.
Oh, Hansen up the inside. Hansen up the inside. The hairpin backwards into the wall. Oh, Hansen spins. He's in the dirt. Can he squeeze on Baciuszka? Contact. Oh, Timmers Josef Scheider. Contact with Baciuszka. Behind Hansen. Oh, contact for Backward. Oh, around at high speed. Grotto into the side of Timmy. Backward goes back. William Doran up the inside of both of them too. Backward lay on the brakes. Oh, they're all in the wall. The whole pack. Doran goes through. Backward gets. Let's have a look at the replay there. Where can we see where this happened? Doran was out really wide, but on the inside, I think, yeah, Tohill and Heikkinen had already lost it. In fact, Doran got back on the track and was collected by them, bounced off the barriers. And Pet, I mean, he could
into the rail, both of them. And they take Doran also.
Doran was really, really unlucky there. And up towards the line, he takes it from Timmers Yarnov. Oh, side by side, who got it? Doran! Doran got it! Doran got it by a contact from all 3. Nitish on the log, stops and on the gas. No! No! Nitish drops down to 4th. Sabo go right, no!